everyone, vanakkam, eppadi irkeenga? Welcome back to Kamu's Kitchen Cuisine. In this episode, I'm going to crackle your kitchen with bursting flavors of Paneer Tikka. Paneer is a fresh cottage cheese which is very popular in Indian cuisine. So I'm going to mix this paneer with marinated spices and show you how to make Paneer Tikka in 3 different ways. The first one is the Tawa cooking or skillet cooking. The second one is the oven cooking, and the third one is my all-time favorite, barbecue grill cooking. Let's get started.
Have taken half a cup curd, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, and 2 tablespoon oil. I've used mustard oil. You can use any oil. I have dry roasted 3 tablespoon of besan powder, 3 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon tandoori masala powder. This is completely optional. If you don't have, you can increase the garam masala powder. Mix them well. Let them all combine well together. And don't forget to add salt to it. Now I'm adding 300 grams of fresh paneer and all the veggies as well. I've taken red onions, red, orange, yellow peppers, green zucchini and squash. Make sure all the veggies are coated well during this marination process and keep them aside for 1 to 2 hours to taste the best paneer tikka. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you a simple and easy green chutney which pairs very well with paneer tikka. I have taken 1 cup cilantro, half a cup mint leaves. I've used 3 green chilies if you want to spice it up, otherwise you can just use 2. Half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon chaat masala powder, and 1 inch ginger roughly chopped. And 3 tablespoons of fresh plain yogurt and salt to taste. You can add little water and blend them very well. Now the amazing green chutney is ready. After 2 hours of marination, our veggies are now ready to get arranged in our skewers. I have pre-prepared our skewers, like soaking them in cold water for 15 minutes. You can now arrange the paneer and veggies alternatively in any order you like. Now our veggies and paneer are colorfully arranged and it's getting ready to get cooked in our skillet cooking. I have taken a non-stick skillet here and applying some cooking oil to it. Let the stove be on the medium flame. Place all the skewers and cook them until all the borders of the veggies and paneer are golden brown in color. Now our paneer tikka is perfectly finished and ready to be served with our green chutney. In my second method of cooking, the oven cooking, kindly preheat the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit because you don't want your paneer to be overcooked. So apply oil to the skewers before you keep them inside, and you can cook them for 5 to 6 minutes and make sure you keep them in broil after 2 to 3 minutes. And finally, cooking paneer tikkas on outdoor barbecue grill is everyone's favorite. Once the grill becomes hot, place the paneer skewers and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Then again brush some oil or melted butter over the paneer and vegetables. Turn them around and continue to grill, keeping the skewers around for another 5 to 6 minutes or until the paneer and vegetables are cooked well. Sprinkle some chaat masala and enjoy your paneer tikka right away, otherwise when it cools down they become hard.
Today I'm going to crackle your kitchen. Kitchen or chicken? Oh my god.
Mommy!
Thank you for watching this week episode of Hey, the Poochie Poochie Poochie. Today I'm going to burst your kitchen. Thank you for watching this week episode of Kamu's Kitchen Cuisine. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and give me a comment. Take care of yourself and each other. See you until then. Bye-bye.